In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite team members in Stack. Whether you're new to Stack or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can effortlessly collaborate with your team. Let's get started. First and foremost, you'll need to head over to the Stack login page. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Stack login screen. It's pretty straightforward and you'll see the option to log in using your Google account. This is a convenient and secure method, ensuring you don't have to worry about remembering yet another password. Once you've clicked on Login with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you'd like to use. Select the one associated with your Stack account and you'll be logged in and ready to go. After logging in successfully, you'll see your project dashboard. Here you can manage all your active projects. Next, click on the specific project where you want to invite team members. This will direct you to your project homepage, which is your command center for working collaboratively. On the project homepage, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Invite. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll notice an option to toggle the takeoff invitation. You want to make sure this toggle is switched on so that it reads Invitations are open. This step is crucial as it allows you to actually send out the invites to your team members. Once you've opened up invitations, you're halfway there. Find the copy button on the same page, click it, and just like that, the link and message are copied to your clipboard. It's always a good idea to double check that the correct information is copied so you can paste it wherever you need it without any hiccups. After copying the necessary info, click on Close. Now you have everything you need to send out those invitations. You can paste the copied content into an email, instant message, CRM, or any text field. This flexibility allows you to use whatever method is most convenient for you and your team. And there you have it. You've successfully prepared and sent an invitation to your team members in Stack. This process not only optimizes your workflow, but also fosters easy collaboration with your team. Thank you for following along today. Inviting team members in Stack is now a breeze. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out more of our guides for tips on how to make the most of Stack. Happy collaborating and see you next time.